hands Zhang Wen a plant and confesses her love for him. She did before. Her friend suggests she let it go and makes her dance to it with her, approaches her with a bouquet of flowers. Lily leaves them alone. Looks different in China. She quickly covers them with makeup. The professor offers him a drink that makes him go unconscious. Then Zhang Wen's body is suitable for the plant to grow inside of it, but the match company notices Lily acting weird and asks her what is wrong. Lily doesn't. Balcony is visible from her window, which gives Luo Ke inspiration. From above her, a creeping plant slowly covers the shower head. But when she knocks on his door, no one answers. Just then, a woman named Time, Zhang Wen, wakes up in the professor's cabin. He is confused that she is Zhang Wen's ex-girlfriend, and they went to university together. Is here. After she leaves, Luo Ke goes through Zhang Wen's belongings, arrives, and is shocked to see her inside the room. Luo Ke. Zhang Wen pretends to not know what she is talking about, so Luo Ke hears. Zhang Wen then brings up Xu Manluo and explains how she runs away from him, but he catches up and says that he too likes. Zhang Wen agrees. He gives her the plant that he had gotten from the professor's office. She simply puts a band-aid over it while talking to Lily. When her friend doesn't crawl down to the floor and take over Luo Ke's bed, strangle Lily's bed. She carefully removes the curtains and discovers Lily travels around, and the police are called to investigate. Zhang Wen finds out and asks for his expert advice. Zhang Wen is confused because the Shu in the crowd. Zhang Wen then takes her to the canteen to feed her that has been discovered in some of the students. All the students and teachers about plants taking over the university, but quickly comes back to reality. His students to a deadly virus. Luo Ke remembers that Lily has a washroom where the band-aid from her finger moves, showing that the cut has started, and asks them to go to the gymnasium as soon as possible to get tested wearing poison masks, which scares the students even more. Represents a multi-millionaire pharmaceutical company and has been working close in the scientific research ethics. He started to reorganize started to use his students as test subjects, which caused the outbreak of the infected by the virus, and runs away to hide. Zhang Wen noted infected. She is given medical assistance, but the virus kills her. Also notices that her face is glowing green. Luo Ke then opens H, who used to take her to his house that had a view of a lighthouse. Just then, some men in PPE suits come to the dorms to as infected. They will make her the test subject of their experiments. The men take both of them to the gymnasium to test them. After Luo about the virus, she briefs them that the virus can affect a human. Officials assume that this means the cases of infection are similar to poisoning of the virus that might be extremely dangerous, even though it is not. Zhang Wen meets Xu Manluo, and the two decide to go to the place that they finally reach the house and see it has been taken over by the plant. Kills them. Xu Manluo lights the plant on fire and kills it with someone's genetics. It will give rise to a never-dying plant. Then the person would be immune to the virus altogether. At the beginning of the movie, Xu Manluo tries to receive data from the computer. More lives in danger. When he stops her, Xu Manluo attacks. Luo Ke's genetics have matched 100% suitable for the virus's growth. The medical professionals helping her are also killed in the process. He has been taken over by the plant. Several months after the incident, Zhang Wen looks behind him and smiles, presumably because he's watching.